Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Wix Studio website look sleek and modern with an overlapping transparent menu, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through each step to create a stunning transparent header, perfect for menus that float beautifully over your site background. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get that professional look without any fuss, and you'll feel confident customizing it just the way you want. So let's jump right in. First, head over to your Wix web design editor. Just log in and open up the website project you want to work on. If you haven't played around with headers before, don't worry. We're focusing specifically on the header section, which is the top strip that usually holds your logo and navigation links. Next, click directly on the header. You'll see some options pop up, and we want to choose Quick Edit. This brings up a bunch of customization tools for the header's layout and appearance. Now, you'll notice that your header might be divided into columns, especially if you've added several elements, like social icons or multiple menus. We want each of these columns to look transparent, so it creates that floating effect over your site's background. It's a subtle change, but it really makes your whole website feel more open and contemporary. To start, select one column within the header. Find the background settings and set that column's background to transparent. You'll typically see a little color swatch or palette. Click Change, then head into the color settings and dial the transparency slider all the way down to 0%. This basically means there's no color or opacity at all, so it's completely see-through. Take your time with this part. Sometimes colors can look like they're gone, but are actually just very faint. Setting it to 0% is what makes it truly invisible, letting your website's background image or color show through beneath. It's important to repeat this adjustment for every single column in the header, so go back and click each one, just like before. Change the background, hop into color settings, and slide the transparency to 0%. I know it sounds a bit repetitive, but unless every column is transparent, you won't get that seamless overlapping effect. Double-check that you've covered them all. A quick preview really helps here. Now, let's add a container box to pull this look together. A container acts kind of like a clear tray that organizes and groups your menu items while letting everything beneath peek through. Add a new container box to your header area and use the resize handles to get it just the right size. You usually want it big enough to fit all your navigation links, but you can adjust it however suits your layout best. Don't worry about getting the perfect dimensions at first. Wix makes it easy to drag and tweak later on. Here comes a key step: sending the container to the back. Right-click the container box you just added, find the Arrange option, and select Send to Back. This places your container behind any other elements in the header. It's a bit like sliding a sheet of glass behind your menu items so the background shines through, supporting the transparent overlapping look. Take a moment to preview your site at this point. You should see your menu floating elegantly above whatever background you have, whether it's a vibrant photo, a gradient, or a simple solid color. If everything's lining up nicely, awesome. If not, you can always tweak the size, arrangement, or transparency until it's just right. Remember, small adjustments can make a big visual difference. And that's it. You've created an overlapping, transparent menu in Wix Studio. This effect is perfect for portfolios, business sites, or anyone who wants a crisp, modern header without bulky blocks of color. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to drop any questions or tips in the comments below. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.